The company Human Habit, led by Ale Ravinoja, was targeted for robbery and extortion. Investigative authorities collaborated with criminals who unlawfully seized the company through threats. Ravinoja was wrongly charged with serious crimes, enduring a 6.5-year legal process. For a decade, threats involving automatic weapons were documented in court records. These threats were communicated to Ravinoja's legal team and presented by criminals during official meetings with state representatives. Ravinoja and his family faced torture and abuses, including knife attacks, for his denial of the accusations. Due to threats, Human Habit hired security, who later suffered assault and murder. Despite these crimes, no investigation was initiated. In case T3106-18 at Borås District Court, the Chancellor of Justice contested the state's liability. The court's decision contradicted the rule of law, overlooking evidence of documented threats. After these legal infringements, Ravinoja filed a torture complaint, referencing threats documented in court records. The Prosecutor General deferred to the government's responsibility to decide on a criminal investigation regarding the Chancellor of Justice's actions. Before the decision, Ravinoja's family faced threats, leading to trauma and a forced disappearance after the security police's reports. Family members were kidnapped in anticipation of the government's decision on the torture complaint. Justice Minister Gunnar Strömmer, on December 1, 2022, declined an investigation into the torture allegations. This decision, potentially violating international obligations, suggests complicity in torture. It implies the Swedish government might have a covert agenda, allowing torture and enabling criminals to threaten victims in court, possibly concealing money laundering funding terrorism. This raises concerns about potential legal harassment and the exploitation of courts for political agendas.